What it means for me to be an ethical leader, it involves taking a stance of some sort. So if it's, saying, no, I recognize that trans people deserve to be treated in all their humanity, and I need to help actualize their liberation. I think leadership is recognizing that there's no individual just thing that can be isolated. Things don't happen in a vacuum. So we have to take into account the collective, the community, all the people that are going to be affected by these things.
I nominated Samantha DeLaCruz because Samantha has demonstrated incredible ethical leadership, both on our campus and in our community. Starting from her first year as a member of Club Gen, Samantha stepped up to advocate for the needs of women and girls in our community and for gender non-conforming people in our community. And her progress as an ethical leader developed tremendously over the many years that she spent at CSUB.
So out of all the work that I was, recognized for through the Wendy Ethics Award, I am most proud of the work I did on CSUB's campus with other students. I am a queer student. I'm a queer Latinx student who struggled throughout my time at CSUB with mental health and, all these different things around me that impacted me personally. But I still showed up and did a lot of amazing work with other students who were going through similar things. And we came together and made amazing, impactful change.
Some of the policy implications that have lasted beyond the years that she was here are incredibly impressive. We now have on our campus Jai's Library, which is a safe space for transgender students, and also a resource library for them. Another thing that she did and helped work toward the now ability of students to use their preferred names and preferred pronouns on things like the list of students that a faculty member receives, so that the faculty member knows how that student identifies and knows the correct use of terms for that student. She's now an alumna, but nevertheless, her mark is still here, even though she's moved on to become a graduate student at San Francisco State University.
Wherever we are in this community, people are doing amazing work that you can join in on. You don't have to start everything from scratch. There's legacies that we can build upon, there's different ways that we can get involved, and they're all contributing to a larger picture of like a better, safer, collective community that's really going to be transformative for everyone who's a part of it. So whether you're influenced by my work or other Wendy Ethics awardees, take that and feel that and be moved by it in a way that you want to act.